आखिर क्या है इन सब के मन इनकी धड़कन सुन सर सबने क्या है आंखों में दिल में क्या अरमान Girls like this to me जरा आगे निकल के नए रंगों में ढल के अंदाज़ बदल के ये भी हिचकिचाहट नहीं है मस्ती में है जीना जीवन रस पीना ये बात हुई ना ये भी अरमान नहीं है Sometimes where danger lies there the sweetest pleasures are found No matter where I go there'll be memories that tug at my sleeve Papa, I can feel you Papa, watch me चोरी चोरी किया रे दिल्ली दिल्ली आले जानू से जानू किया रे जागे सोए रहूं खोए खोए रहूं उसकी यादों में उसके ख्वाबों में झूमे जिया रे crazy किया रे crazy किया रे crazy किया रे oh crazy crazy किया रे I'm worth it baby I'm worth it I'm worth it give me I'm worth it give it to me worth it ooh baby I'm worth it ooh you're worth it oh yes you're worth it you see me in the sunlight ooh I love you outside show me what you got now I don't wanna waste my time you see me in the spotlight ooh I love you outside show me what you got now come and make my time worthwhile baby give it to me worth it oh I'm worth it I'm worth it give it to me I'm worth it give it to me I'm worth it oh baby I'm worth it I'm worth it give me I'm worth it all right with it all right if anybody wants to join all dancers this is last song
How you feeling right now?
मेरा तुम्हें जो मजा है तुम्हारे कुछ नया नया है कि देखो आज क्या हुआ है कि झूमता है जा रहा है झूम 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 बाबा झूम 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 बाबा झूम 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 बाबा मेरा तुम्हें जो मजा है कुछ नया नया है कि देखो आज क्या हुआ है झूमता ही जा रहा है झूम 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 Here we go झूम झूम बाबा झूम 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 बाबा झूम 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 बाबा आज खुश Don't you understand me? 'Cause I know that I won't go speechless. All I know is I won't go speechless. Who knows RJ Kunjan here? Absolutely, कुंजन वो पावर हाउस ऑफ टैलेंट है जो बे एरिया में छाई हुई है for the last 13 years. She's been with Radio Zindagi since 13 years. मैं थोड़ी सीनियर हूँ इसके, तो सीख रही है मुझसे. But then she has learned from India. She was also a news anchor with Doordarshan. Please put your hands together for the very gorgeous Kunjan Pawar.
challenges such as anxiety, depression, ADHD. She has produced key media initiatives including the Stop the Hate campaign addressing hate crimes against Asians, including the Community Impact Award by the Asian American Journalists Association in 2024, a Knight Fellowship and Leadership Transformation Fellow. Shakti Award recipients, you are the heartbeat of change. Thank you.
Singing to you is called Vasant Sena, a musical. Women, please join us at sulekha.com. Your tickets are.
Isolation kills self-confidence. This reminds us that we as women have to be united, especially in regions affected by conflict. Solidarity is key to empowerment and lasting change. Our next country is Africa. Girls and women everywhere, I issue a simple invitation. My sisters, my daughters, my friends, find your voice. Said by Ellen Johnson, a Nobel Peace Prize. Our next country is Argentina. I am my own woman. Eva Peron, a powerful declaration of independence and identity. This quote reminds us of true empowerment. When a woman... Our next country is China. Women hold up half the sky. This iconic quote was by the Chinese revolution leader Mao Zedong. Angela Merkel, one of the most influential female leaders in Germany, who led with quiet strength. India. When someone says you won't do this because you're a girl, I can't rest until I do it. Aditi Chaurasia, an Indian tech entrepreneur, and her quote reflects within many women who rise stronger when faced with doubt. The only female Prime Minister of India, she inspired generations with her bold leadership and resolve.
Hurry up, I'm running now from see me in
Arundhati Roy. Either way, change will come. It could be bloody or it could be beautiful. It depends on us. From India.
I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it.
Women, you already know, when we fall, we lift ourselves up. Three Mexican artists who rose above physical pain and personal tragedy to express bold creativity. Of the mind. Mona Alfawa, she highlights that true liberation only begins from within us. To reclaim autonomy over women's bodies or a rainbow with gold on both ends. Frida Kahlo, to see yourself as a rainbow on both ends, not her muscles, but in her soul. And this quote celebrates the unseen strength of women, resilience, empathy, and courage. Winner, Tawakkol Karman, known as a mother of revolution. Her word reminds us that when a woman dares to speak, the world changes. And last but not least, it is not wrong to be passionate about your career. When you love what you do, you bring that stimulation back to your family. Alison Pearson. So whether you are a homemaker, a CEO of a company, a dancer, a singer, doesn't matter what you do, never feel guilty that you go to work because you're bringing that stimulation and love back to your children. And it's powerful and gentle, fierce and kind, bold and graceful. Live unapologetically, love boundaries, and lead bravely.
You wanna rock this? Let me rock this. Bring it on, bring it on. Here comes the master, here comes the heat. Beat me to that rock. Let me rock this. In your tongue, spread that word, spread the seed. Put it out, put it out. Level pitch.
ambitious and I know exactly what I want. And if that makes me a bitch, who cares? That was said by Madonna. Ladies, let this be a bold reminder that confidence in a woman is often mislabeled. But owning your power, owning your ambition, and owning your voice is never something you have to apologize for. So let people keep talking and you just keep rising. This is the Global Empowerment Walk presented to you by FemFest 2025. They have worked very hard to put this together, so let's give them a big hand. Let's give her a big hand from Jilu Shah Official. I'd like to thank all our models, Aarti, Chama, Chit, Deep, Laveen, Madhavi, Namrat, Priti,
Anu Sharma to share a few words with us.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anu Sharma, and as a practicing dentist in this community for the last 24 years, and with my practice focusing on sleep apnea now, I've been asked to share a few things about sleep apnea, a few health tips. So for people in our community now, the incidence of sleep apnea is about 30%, which means 1 out of every 5 people sitting here might have sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is not just snoring or gasping for breath while you are sleeping. It is something that puts a lot of stress on your organs when you are sleeping. It makes us be at a higher risk for heart disease, diabetes, strokes, lung infections, depression, insomnia, and a lot more. And the good thing is that it is easily treatable with a dental device that a trained dentist like me can make, and then your quality of life becomes a lot better. So women, if you are experiencing anything that I said before, snoring or having not a restful sleep, waking up in the morning with headaches, having difficulty sleeping, or being irritable throughout the day and having chronic stress or chronic fatigue, please do seek answers. Please do get screened for sleep apnea. I will be happy to help you in any way that I can. You can get more details at dranuSharma.com and pick flyers up from the left-hand side table if you would like to. This is something that I love to talk to people about. I will be happy to help you in your journey of having a healthier life. And if you have any questions, catch me around or check us out at dranuSharma.com. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Anu Sharma.
You are most welcome.
Lavanya, can I request you to say a few words, please? Guys, please give it up for realtor Lavanya Dubey. She's hugely responsible for this show.
Thank you, everybody. I'm Lavanya Dubey. I am being a realtor, doing real estate for the last 15 years in the Bay Area. And I'm very, very happy to be part of the FemFest, support all the women in the Bay Area and support Radio Zindagi, Sunona, and all the crew of Radio Zindagi to put up this wonderful show. And I'm so happy about it. I'm very happy to be sponsored, and I'm looking forward to support the community in the past and in the future always. And if you have any real estate needs regarding buying or home selling, I cover all the way from Livermore to all the way to San Jose. To reach me out, my website is lavanyadavi.com and my number is 408-627-9586. You can Google me, Lavanya Devi, and you can reach me on my social media. Thank you so much.
That was Lavanya Dubey. Let's have some more energy. Can we please get a huge round of applause? Thank you so much. Himani of PG Tudors. You can say that's okay.
Hi everybody, this is Hemlata from PNG Jewelers. We do have the store in Sunnyvale, please do visit. And congratulations to the Femme Festival. Due to I think time constraint, we are good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, PNG Jewelers. And I have next Vachi Silks. So pretty Vachi Silks. What would you like to say?
Thank you so much, FemFest, for giving us this opportunity. At Vachi Silks, we customize silk sarees, patterns, kanjivarams, venkatkitties, any name, and we can customize them for you. And we also have a good line of jewelry, custom jewelry, so please come visit us. And if you have any needs for your wedding, birthdays, or just a party, keep us in mind. Thank you.
Sampurna Ayurveda. Congratulations, Neeraji. Up next is Hala.
नहीं अभी मेरी बारी है हाँ हेलो नमस्ते एवरीवन जवाब दो नमस्ते आवाज़ नहीं आई नमस्ते जी नमस्ते थैंक यू मेरा नाम है नीरा मैं हूँ संपूर्ण आयुर्वेदा की प्रैक्टिशनर यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ चाय की डिब्बियों के साथ अगर किसी का मन करे सब सोए हुए लग रहे हो यार उठ जाओ प्लीज जो है वो तो कुछ थोड़े से दिखाओ ना एनर्जी दिखाओ कहीं जाओ कुछ कहना लगवाओ ज्वेलरी देखो क्या कर रहे हो उठो यार हेलो हाँ अब आई आवाज़ ठीक है थैंक यू वेरी मच ओके मेरा नाम नीरा है मैं संपूर्ण आयुर्वेदा से हूँ मेरा क्लिनिक यहाँ पे सेंटा क्लारा में है वी प्रोवाइड यू ऑल आयुर्वेदिक ट्रीटमेंट्स एंड आयुर्वेदिक ट्रीटमेंट्स और क्या हुआ फॉर्मुलेशंस हुआ जो आपकी कोई ट्रबल्स हैं हेल्थ कंसर्न्स हैं इससे पहले आप डॉक्टर के पास जाएं पहले मेरे पास आए राइट उसमें अगर हम फिक्स कर सकते हैं हम आपको फिक्स करेंगे नहीं तो डायरेक्ट रास्ता है हमारे पास राइट मैं स्लीप अपने को छोड़ के बोल रही हूँ बाकी सारी चीज़ें स्लीप अपने के लिए यहाँ पे नहीं आएंगे राइट या इट्स ए सीरियस कंसर्न मेरा हेल्थ हम लोग बहुत ईजी लेते हैं इंडियन कम्युनिटी खास करके अपनी हेल्थ को लीस्ट लेती है वुमेन जो सी है वो लीस्ट से भी नीचे जाती है होता है ना ऐसे मम्मी बाद में खा लेगी पहले डैडी को खिला दो पहले बेटी को खिला दो बच्चे ने जाना है ख्याल रखो यार अपना गेट अप वी ऑल वीमेंस यहाँ पे क्यों यहाँ पे इतना उन्होंने जोर डाला है कि अपना ध्यान रखें और देखें प्लीज़ मेरे टॉप पे आए वहाँ पे आके थोड़ी सी चाय ट्राई करें और मुझे बताएं आपको कैसे लगी मुझे सर खुद से मिलना है that's it.
Thank you so much, Neeraji, for your precious input. Thank you so much. Coming up next is Hala. Seba, please do the honors for Hala on stage, please. Hala के बाद है हमारे साथ Parinda Joshi. Please put your hands together for Parinda Joshi. Parinda, if you could make your way on stage, please. Thank you. Renu Dhillon, if you can join us on stage for a quick picture, and then we can move on. What's your name?
My name is Riya Chada.
Riya Chada के लिए जोरदार तालियां. She walks away with PNG Jewelers $250 का gift card.
There you go. What's your name?
My name is Darsh Chada.
Darsh, congratulations.
very much. Thank you very much. You know what, guys? Isn't it amazing? Like, what an year for female empowerment, isn't it? Right? Aishwarya Rai went to Cannes and had Sindoor, and nobody thought it was about her marriage. Everybody thought it was Operation Sindoor. Urvashi Rotela is called First Lady, even though she's not married to Donald Trump. है ना? And then, of course, we have the French president's wife who slapped his face, है ना? This is the year for women's empowerment, guys. You know what women's empowerment is about? It is about making choices, right? That is why I love FemFest, because FemFest is not about women's empowerment. It is about celebrating women, right, everyone? It's about celebrating women. Woohoo! Yeah, because women's empowerment is about making choices, right? It's about being able to make your own choice. For example, I am an empowered woman. Every day I make the choice to be on Instagram for 5 hours. Every day I make the choice not to go to the gym. Even today I made a choice to dress badly. Yeah, I can see there's a lot of empowered women in this audience also. Yeah. You know what, guys? I even chose my own husband. Who said every decision has to be good? You know, my sister-in-law told me that she is also empowered. I said, why? She said, I also choose. I said, you're right. You are a monkey choose. But guys, you cannot make all choices, right? You cannot choose who your in-laws are going to be. You cannot choose how long they're going to visit you. You cannot even choose your own children. Your children choose you. Mera dimag choose lete hain, yaar. But I have to say, you know, when I'm with my kids, the word that I use is passion. I'm passionate. Like, I could have been at home with my children and my husband, but I chose to be here because I'm passionate about avoiding my family. Alright guys, that's enough of opening jokes. I'm very proud to present 4 ladies who are going to do some amazing comedy. So please encourage them by laughing and clapping, okay? That encourages them, makes the show better. Thank you very much. My first choice for comedy, just like the Congress party, is somebody from outside India. Okay, she's from Philippines, but she's not a nurse. She is an amazing comic. So please give it up for Rhoda Gravador.
Give it up for Joe, everybody. Yes! All right, Milpitas, I want to hear the ladies make some noise. 1, 2, 3. That's what I'm talking about. Look, I know you are confused. You're like, Rhoda, you're Filipino. What are you doing here? But listen, just imagine that instead of the India Community Center, we are at a hospital. Okay? You are all doctors, and I'm the nurse. What do you say? What do you say? Good? All right. I'm excited. I love this FemFest because I just turned 51 years old. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. So, you know, 50 is a big milestone age for us women, but we Asian women don't look 50 until we're 90. Right? I mean, people think we all look alike now. When we Asian women turn 90, we all look like Yoda. In March, 50 I will be. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Now, I'm starting to feel my age because I just tore my left rotator cuff. Yeah, who do I look like? Tom Brady? Okay, this is how it happened. First, I put on my pajamas. Then I went to bed. And then I woke up. That's how I injured myself. I know. So now pajama wearers are also at risk. Boy, I wanted to take a nap earlier, but I was afraid I could tear my ACL. Plus, I haven't met my deductible yet, so there's that. No, I'm kidding. I don't have health insurance. I have Kaiser. Make some noise if you have Kaiser. Hey, keep thriving, or else you're gonna die. Kaiser! So they referred me to an orthopedic surgeon, and the orthopedic surgeon said the reason I am having pain in my shoulder is because it's caused by menopause. Oh, I wanted to punch this doctor in the face, which is also caused by menopause. He said, usually that's an injury for professional athletes. I go, oh, Tom Brady has menopause? Now my boyfriend also has Kaiser. Cancer runs in his family. So every year he has to do all those tests. One year, his doctor emailed him and she wrote, good news, you have cancer. We were like, did she mean good news, you don't have cancer? Or did she mean bad news, you have cancer? And she sent this email at the end of the day on a Friday. And then she didn't respond back to the end of the Monday. And she said this, I am so sorry. What I meant to say was good news, you don't have cancer. But the bad news is, you have Kaiser. That one's for you, Renu. Now, my boyfriend is from the former Soviet Union, and my ex-husband is Chinese, so my love language is communism. My boyfriend's actually a Russian Jew, and I am a Filipino Catholic, but we do have a few things in common. For example, both Jews and Filipinos take forever to say goodbye at parties, all right? But it only takes 2 seconds for our Filipino and Jewish mothers to call us fat. And also, both Russians and Filipinos just cannot seem to get rid of their dictators, right? It's like that earworm you can't get out of your head, like 1877 czars for kids, CZ. Okay, no one watches TV, that's fine. And both Russians and Filipinos love karaoke. Who wants to hear a duet between me and my Russian Jew boo? One more time, Milpitas, who wants to hear a duet between me and my Russian Jew boo? Okay, I will do it, but only because you asked me to. I will need help with a beat, so either clap or snap. Here we go, clap, good. Summer loving, wie hier a blessed. Summer loving, it happens so fast. I met girl crazy for me. I met a boy, he's as sweet as can be. Summer days, drifting away, lumpia, summer nights. Da da da, yet. Oh, give it up for me and my Russian Jew. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey, so I've read a couple of surveys. The first survey said that the happiest city in America is right here in California. Yes! Can you believe it? The survey said that the happiest city in America is Fremont, California. And anyone here from Fremont? Are you happy? Yeah, yes, she totally did this. That's hilarious. Okay, so Fremont is the happiest city in America because not only is 60% of the population is Asian, right? Okay, so Fremont is the happiest city in America because not only do they have the highest population of spelling bee finalists, but in Fremont, they sell boba on each side of the street, so you don't have to watch an Asian make a U-turn. You're welcome, Fremont. Watch out, Milpitas, because you're next. All right, the next survey I read said that menopausal women are far less productive than they were before menopause. Excuse me? You know who else is less productive when they get older? Men? Hello? All right. So now companies are offering these women better benefits and a better work environment. For example, did you know that now they make menopause energy bars? Yeah. I only know this because HR gave me these bars. Okay? But I didn't know what to do with them, so I gave them to my boyfriend, and now my boyfriend makes 30% less. I'm now gonna sing about menopause. Here we go. Oops. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. Thank you. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot, I wanna take my clothes off. Milpitas, you're gonna say this nice and loud. Let it hang out. with a little bit. Go. Congratulations, now you all have menopause too. That's my time. Thank you. All right, your next comic is also a very funny lady. Give it up for Ashkata, everybody. Woo! Thank you so much, and thank you, Renu. Mahal kita din. I said that wrong, huh, Dad? Close.
Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. I am Akshata Athawale, and today I am going to talk about one of my passions. क्योंकि ये वर्ल्ड है ना वर्ल्ड, इसमें दो तरह के लोग होते हैं. पहले जो बॉलीवुड मूवीज में प्लॉट होल्स ढूंढ के खुद को राजीव मसन समझते हैं, और दूसरे जो इन्हीं मूवीज से इंस्पायर होकर अपना कटवा लेते हैं. मैं दूसरी हूँ. बचपन से ही ना मुझे बॉलीवुड लव स्टोरीज का बहुत क्रेज है. बाय गॉड, मेरा एक ही सपना था कि मुझे एक हीरो जैसा लड़का मिले और मेरी एक मसाला लव स्टोरी हो. और वो कहते हैं ना कि अगर आप किसी चीज को सच्चे दिल से चाहो तो सारी कायनात आपका गिव अप कराने में लग जाती है. मेरे साथ भी वही हुआ, क्योंकि स्कूल में मैं मोहब्बतें से बहुत इंस्पायर्ड थी, पर मुझे चाहिए था जुगल हंसराज, और मेरे स्कूल में थे सिर्फ उदय चोपड़ा. सारे लड़के दिन भर रेड बुल पे हुए सांड की तरह उल्टी सीधी हरकतें करते रहते थे. चेयर के ऊपर से स्प्लिट जंप मारते थे, साइकिल के पीछे खड़े होकर राइड करते थे, रेलिंग पे वॉक करते थे, जैसे कि घर से बोल के आए हैं, माँ मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ, वंश का अंत करके ही लौटूंगा. तो मुझे लगा रुक जाते हैं कॉलेज तक, क्योंकि वैसे भी ना अच्छे घरों की लड़कियाँ स्कूल में ये सब नहीं करती. फिर मैं कॉलेज में गई. मैंने जाते ही सबसे पहले कुछ कुछ होता है रिवाइज की, एंड आई वेंट फुल काजोल मोड. मैं टॉम बॉय बन गई. मैंने बास्केटबॉल के अलावा एक दो और स्पोर्ट्स में 2-3 लड़कों से राइवलरी ले ली. मैंने उन्हें उनकी रानी मुखर्जियों से भी मिलवा दिया. पर मेरी किस्मत देखो, उन सबकी रानी मुखर्जियाँ 2-2 बच्चों के बाद भी जिंदा हैं, और मैं यहाँ साड़ी पहन पहन के समर कैंप में डांस कर रही हूँ. फिर उसके बाद मैं बे एरिया आई. आई मेट अ फ्रेंड ऑफ अ फ्रेंड. वो हैंडसम था, वो चार्मिंग था, वो मराठी भी था, पर मैं ऐसी शैलो लड़की नहीं हूँ. आई डोंट रियली केयर अबाउट ऑल ऑफ दैट. पर उसके पास तो ग्रीन कार्ड भी था. मेरे मन में फिर से एक बार वायलिन बजने लगे. मुझे लगा यूरोप नहीं तो यूएस में ही कोई दिल वाला दुल्हनिया ले जाएगा. बट उसे थोड़े दिन डेट करके पता चला कि वो शाहरुख खान का फैन था ही नहीं, वो शाहिद कपूर का फैन था और कबीर सिंह बनना चाहता था. उसका कार्ड तो ग्रीन था, बट बाकी उसमें सिर्फ रेड फ्लैग्स थे. वो पजेसिव था, वो जिम फ्रीक था, वो वेजिटेरियन भी था. बट आई डिडंट रियली वांट टू ब्रेक अप विद हिम, क्योंकि मैं डेस्परेट थी. मेरी उम्र हो चली थी. आपको तो पता ही है कि बॉलीवुड में 25 के बाद लड़कियों को प्यार नहीं मिलता, और उस टाइम पे तो 25 के बाद मूवीज भी नहीं मिलती थी. बट somehow my friends decided to talk some sense into me, और मैंने सोचा इससे ब्रेकअप करते हैं. तो मैंने उसे बोला कि यार we are not working out. तो उसने बोला of course babe, we work out on Thursdays. Do you also think we should work out more often? अब हम just when I was about to give up, I met my now husband. हमें प्यार हुआ. मम्मी पापा ने कहा शादी कर लो, हमने शादी कर ली. मैं खुश तो बहुत थी, बट मेरी मसाला लव स्टोरी का सपना अधूरा रह गया था. बट इस बार ना इंडिया ट्रिप पे कुछ बहुत अमेजिंग हुआ. मेरे हस्बैंड को चश्मा लग गया. तो नाउ इट्स लाइक अब तक मैं कहो ना प्यारे के फर्स्ट हाफ वाले ऋतिक रोशन को डेट कर रही थी, अब मैं सेकेंड हाफ वाले उसके चश्मिश ट्विन को डेट कर रही हूँ. आई नो राइट. अब हमारी शादी को 2 साल हो गए, बट हमारा अभी कोई बच्चा नहीं है. तो नेचुरली दिस इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इन द वर्ल्ड, क्योंकि इकोनॉमी तो फिर भी रिकवर हो जाएगी, मेरा अकाउंट कैसे रिकवर होगा ना. और ये मेरी फैमिली में सबकी प्रॉब्लम है. मुझे क्या लगता है ना कि मेरे मामा मामी चाचा चाची मम्मी पापा सब एवरी 6 months मीटिंग करते हैं, हम सारे कजिन्स का हाफ ईयरली रिव्यू करने के लिए, और फिर वो हमारे परफॉर्मेंस गैप्स की लिस्ट निकालते हैं. अक्षता, no kids yet. Nidhi has left her job to pursue passion. Omkar, he thinks he's gay but he's just confused. और फिर सबकी जॉइंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है फीडबैक डिलीवर करने की. The other day my मौसी called me. शी वाज लाइक बेटा मैं तो तेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड जैसी हूँ ना, तू मुझे बता सकती है कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो, तू और जवाई राजा ट्राई तो कर रहे हैं ना। मैंने बोला हाँ मौसी, हम तो रोज 2 फ्लावर्स को टच करा करा के ट्राई करते रहते हैं।
Fun, ladies, and 3 gents. 3 gents on the phone. Yes, welcome everyone, ladies and 2 gents. Every gents is on the phone यहाँ पे. Sir, phone. Okay. I want to tell you guys a story about how I helped my best friend get married. Okay, you guys want to listen? Yes, okay. But first we have to talk about ladka and ladki best friends, right? Like, have you guys ever noticed that men call their best friends chaddi buddies, but women don't call their best friends kachi buddies? I think that's because when men see each other in their chaddis, you know, they're nicely in the locker room, going to the gym for workout, you know. But when women see each other in their kachis, they're usually in front of a video camera about to make more money than your annual salary. She gets it. That's why women call their best friends soul sisters. That's right. हाँ, लड़कियाँ कब friends होती है? When they have an unpaid therapy session over 5 glasses of wine. That's right. Yes. So my best friend wanted to get married, and that got me so scared because my best friend has 0 experience in the boy department. ऐसे लड़कियाँ मिली है कभी जिंदगी में? हाँ, 0 experience in the boy department. Akshata is nodding her head. Like, she got me so scared because it's basically a person who's asking for a job without any job experience, you know. And that's why I knew I had to come in because I have a lot of experience giving jobs. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to help you find a good man, you know. But first you need to know about my best friend. Her name is Akanksha Lakhani. Cindy. Koi hai Cindy? Cindy's in the house. Arey, front bench. Cindy ji. My best friend's name is Akanksha Lakhani, okay? And first you gotta know a little bit about her biodata, okay? Biodata pata hai na, auntie? Haan. Biodata, first thing about Akanksha is sometimes when she forgets to shave her mustache, we call her Alibaba. That's right. But she's just such a sarvagun sampanna sada suhagan. She's like the female version of Aloknath, okay? Before he got cancelled. You know, like she doesn't do any sharab, she doesn't do any shabab, no kebab. Like she's just like Salman Khan, you know. If Salman Khan didn't lie about everything in his life. Like this girl is so sweet, so amazing. She doesn't know what is Twitter, she doesn't know what is LGBTQ. She doesn't know who's beer biceps as no one should, you know. But that's why, you know, eventually her family and I started hunting for a boy the way Kardashians hunt for a plastic surgeon, you know. Like, who's the best one in the town? Abhi kya abhi de do, you know. And we finally found a great Sindhi boy who was so amazing and good looking that I had to like remind myself that meri shaadi ho chuki hai. You know, like this guy was very, very hot and very nice. And then finally they had the most amazing Sindhi wedding. Everything worked out, you know. You know what amazing Sindhi wedding is? Aapko pata hai? With after parties at a ISKCON temple hosted by DJ Krishna. By the way, for those of you who don't know, DJ Krishna doesn't play his disc chiki chiki like this. He plays it chiki chiki like this. Yes. I couldn't attend their wedding, but I went to meet my best friend 1 year later when I went to visit India again. Okay, and when I saw this guy, I felt like a baby in front of the Bachchan family. Okay, I'm like, ये शादी मैं तोड़वा के रहूँगी because this guy is so amazing. Like मुझे ही चाहिए ये लड़का. You know, like he was like fixing her dress, he was opening the door for her. Like ladies, सच में बता दो, किसी और के मर्द को देखा and then you're like, can I have that one please? है ना? Like इसको तो dishwasher भी load करना आता है. And I was like, oh no, I think I have a crush on this guy, you know. And then he came and started talking to me. He just walked up to me very nicely and he's like, oh my God, Renuka, your nails and your outfit are looking so nice together. Like you are looking so fab. And I was like, oh my God. Like this guy, like I've never met a straight guy who understands fashion this well. Then I was like, oh my God. I've never met a straight guy who understands fashion this well. And that's when I realized that I think my best friend, I think my soul sister is married to a gay guy. That's right.
And then immediately after, my best friend Akanksha, aka Ali, came to talk to me, and she's like, you know, we are not getting a lot of marriage time together, you know, because he's always busy having fun with his chuddy buddies. And I'm like, Akanksha, I think he wants to have fun with his chuddy buddies, and maybe Ali Baba, but not you. And that's when we all found out, the whole family found out, that this man is actually gay, and he has fooled Ali to marry him. And that's when the hell, like the worst divorce began, you know. It's so bad. Has anyone experienced divorce here? Radio jockey, Jyotsna! Woo!
Thank you, my one fan. Hi everyone, are you excited to listen to the last comments today? Woohoo! Okay, so I recently went on this crazy trip. It was a crazy trip. Not this trip. It was a girl's trip. So more toxic. So basically, thank you very much. Okay, who all here have been on a girl's trip? All of you? Oh, yeah, okay. It looks like most women have been on a girl's trip. So if you think about it, a girl's trip is just like a period. Both of them last 3 to 5 days. In both of them, we paint the town red. And in both of them, we start off with nice and normal women who then turn into bitches. You know, guys, sir, I don't think you know what a girl's trip is. He's not even listening. But I will explain. A girl's trip is basically a short trip with a bunch of girls in order to recharge and relax. And based on my personal experience, it was the most recharging and relaxing 3 days and 2 nights for my husband. Because I had to cook and freeze the food for 4 days, organize the kids' schedules and play dates. है ना, जैसे पार्लियामेंट में जाया अमिताभ बच्चन, जैसे बॉलीवुड में कंगना रनौत, तो वैसे ही ना हमारे ग्रुप में भी एक ऐसी लड़की थी, हाँ, me. No, I wasn't trying to create problems, okay? But they had appointed me as the organizer, and I was just trying to organize the shit that came out of the anus. No, really, no. I was trying to be the vector to these scalars. You guys don't know vector scalar? I'll explain. Scalar is something without direction, and vector is something with direction. So, for example, scalar is man, vector is married man. So, because these girls, everyone wanted to do different things, you know. One of the girls wanted to go to the strip club. I said, why? She said, it's like going to the Vatican and not seeing the Pope. So, of course, we went. Who am I to argue with God? And what a Pope, I must say. You know, one of them wanted to go to the Hoover Dam. That's where I put my foot down. Because the Hoover Dam reminds me of my marriage. I'm the one always running the Hoover. And my husband does not give a damn. You know, we could not even agree on the same show. Because one of the girls was like, यार मुझे ना Cirque du Soleil नहीं देखना है, क्योंकि ना मुझे clowns पसंद नहीं है. So I said, don't worry, you don't need to get mad.
Aki Kumar has become a global sensation by fusing blues, rock and roll and country with the vibrant energy of classic Bollywood music. His soulful voice, electrifying stage presence and mastery on the harmonica, and believe me, when you hear him, you'll be blown away, has made him one of the most prolific and celebrated artists in the Bay Area. His journey is nothing short of inspiring. He actually came to the US like most Desis as a software engineer, but the blues called and he answered his calling. Today he's a trailblazer in creating one of the most unique musical fusion melodies that you're going to hear tonight. He's been crowned King of Bollywood Blues by San Jose Mercury News and recently received the 2024 Metro Silicon Valley Gold Award for the Best Band. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Let's give it up for Aki Kumar and his band.
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। हाँ बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारा दिलरुबा। डाल हो, डाल हो, डाल हो। बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारा दिलरुबा। डाल हो, डाल हो, डाल हो। डाल हो, अब मैं बजाऊंगा। जाने जा ढूंढता तेरा ढूंढ रात दिन मैं यहाँ से वहाँ। जाने जा ढूंढता तेरा हो तुम्हें रात दिन छुप गए ओ सनम तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ। यार वो यार जो नाम पे ही मिट जाए, दिल वो चाहे जिसे उसे पाए। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी की बात से मुझे दिल में प्यार। जीना किसी का नाम है तुम्हारा
अजीब